The 6 Laws of Vibration for Success. The law of vibration is a concept often associated with metaphysics, spirituality, and the study of energy and consciousness. It suggests that everything in the universe is in a constant state of vibration. This law asserts that everything has its own unique vibrational frequency, including thoughts, emotions, and physical matter. The idea is closely related to the concept of energy and its various forms. Key points associated with the law of vibration include: Number 1 is everything is energy. The idea that everything is energy is a concept that is often associated with both scientific and metaphysical perspectives, although the interpretations can differ. Scientific perspective. In physics, energy is defined as the ability to do work or cause a change. According to Albert Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, energy and matter are interchangeable. They are two different forms of the same fundamental substance. This concept is a cornerstone of modern physics and is widely accepted within the scientific community. From a scientific standpoint, everything in the universe, including matter, such as atoms and particles, is composed of energy. Even seemingly solid objects have energy at the atomic and subatomic levels. Metaphysical and spiritual perspective. Metaphysical and spiritual traditions often take the idea of everything is energy to a more abstract and holistic level. In these perspectives, energy is seen as a fundamental, universal force that underlies all aspects of existence, including thoughts, emotions, and consciousness. The concept is sometimes extended to suggest that everything has its own vibrational frequency or energy signature. This idea is often tied to beliefs about the interconnectedness of all things and the influence of thoughts and emotions on an individual's energy field. Practices like meditation, yoga, and energy healing are sometimes based on the belief that individuals can work with or manipulate their own energy to promote well-being and balance. It's worth noting that while the scientific understanding of energy is well established and rigorously tested, the metaphysical and spiritual interpretations may vary widely and are often based on personal beliefs. The concept of everything is energy is a bridge between scientific and metaphysical perspectives, and individuals may choose to embrace it in different ways depending on their worldview and experiences. Number 2 is vibrational frequencies. In both scientific and metaphysical contexts, the concept of vibrational frequencies refers to the rate at which something vibrates or oscillates. Here's an exploration of the concept from these two perspectives. Scientific perspective. In physics, particularly in the field of wave mechanics, vibrational frequencies are associated with the oscillations of particles, waves, or fields. Everything in the physical world, from subatomic particles to macroscopic objects, can be described in terms of vibrations. Sound waves. In acoustics, for example, the pitch of a sound is determined by the frequency of the vibrations in the air. Electromagnetic waves. In optics, the color of light is associated with its frequency. Higher frequencies correspond to colors like blue, while lower frequencies correspond to colors like red. Atomic and molecular vibrations. At the atomic and molecular levels, particles vibrate at specific frequencies. This is fundamental to understanding various properties of matter. Metaphysical perspective. Metaphysical and spiritual traditions often extend the concept of vibrational frequencies to a more abstract level, suggesting that everything, including thoughts and emotions, has its own vibrational frequency. Positive and negative frequencies. In metaphysical contexts, higher vibrational frequencies are often associated with positive states, such as love, joy, and peace. Conversely, lower frequencies may be associated with negative states, such as fear, anger, or stress. Law of attraction. The idea that like attracts like is often linked to vibrational frequencies in metaphysical thought. According to this perspective, individuals can attract experiences or outcomes that align with their own vibrational frequency. Energy healing. Some alternative healing practices, such as Reiki or crystal healing, are based on the belief that the practitioner can influence the recipient's energy field to balance or raise their vibrational frequency. While the scientific understanding of vibrational frequencies is well established and has practical applications, the metaphysical interpretations are often subjective and may vary among different belief systems. It's essential to approach metaphysical concepts with an open mind, recognizing that they may not necessarily adhere to the same empirical standards as scientific principles. Number 3 is like attracts like. The concept of like attracts like is often associated with the law of attraction, a popular idea in metaphysics and self-help philosophy. It suggests that similar energies or vibrations attract each other, and therefore, positive thoughts and emotions can attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts and emotions can attract negative experiences. Here's a breakdown of the concept. Law of attraction. Positive thoughts and experiences. Advocates of the law of attraction believe that maintaining a positive mindset and focusing on positive outcomes can attract similar positive experiences into one's life. Negative thoughts and experiences. Conversely, dwelling on negative thoughts or emotions is thought to attract more negativity. The emphasis is on the idea that thoughts have a vibrational frequency that influences the energetic environment around an individual. Vibrational frequencies. Energetic alignment. The concept ties into the idea that everything, including thoughts and emotions, has its own vibrational frequency. Positive thoughts and emotions are considered to vibrate at higher frequencies, while negative ones vibrate at lower frequencies. Alignment with desires. The suggestion is that aligning one's thoughts and emotions with desired outcomes can bring those outcomes closer, as the vibrational frequencies are in harmony. Practical application. Mindset and affirmations. Practitioners of the law of attraction often engage in practices like positive affirmations, visualization, and gratitude exercises to cultivate a positive mindset. Focus on solutions. Rather than dwelling on problems, the emphasis is on focusing energy and attention on solutions and positive aspects of life. Criticism and skepticism. Scientific skepticism. The law of attraction has been met with skepticism from the scientific community, as it lacks empirical evidence and is considered by some as pseudoscience. Individual variation. Critics argue that individual experiences and outcomes are influenced by numerous factors beyond personal thoughts, including external circumstances, societal structures, and random events. While the law of attraction and the idea of like attracts like have gained popularity, it's essential to approach them with a critical mindset. Some people find these concepts empowering and use them as tools for personal development, while others may view them with skepticism due to a lack of scientific validation. Number 4 is thoughts and emotions matter. The idea that thoughts and emotions matter is a concept found in various philosophical, psychological, and spiritual perspectives. Here's an exploration of this concept from different viewpoints. Psychological perspective. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT in psychology, particularly in approaches like CBT, there is a recognition that thoughts and emotions play a crucial role in shaping behavior and well-being. CBT focuses on identifying and challenging negative thought patterns to promote positive emotional and behavioral changes. Mind-body connection. The mind-body connection acknowledges that mental states, such as stress or happiness, can influence physical health. Chronic stress, for example, has been linked to various health issues. Philosophical perspective. Stoicism and Eastern philosophies. Philosophical traditions, such as Stoicism and certain Eastern philosophies, emphasize the importance of mastering one's thoughts and emotions for a more balanced and fulfilling life. These philosophies often teach practices like mindfulness and emotional regulation. Spiritual and metaphysical perspective. Law of attraction. In metaphysical and New Age thought, the law of attraction posits that thoughts and emotions have an energetic vibration that can attract similar experiences. Positive thoughts and emotions are believed to attract positive outcomes. Energy healing practices. Some spiritual and alternative healing practices, like Reiki or meditation, focus on balancing or clearing the energy associated with thoughts and emotions for overall well-being. Neuroscience perspective. Neuroplasticity. From a neuroscience standpoint, the brain's ability to reorganize itself, known as neuroplasticity, suggests that repeated thoughts and emotional patterns can shape the structure and function of the brain over time. Impact on neural pathways. Positive thoughts and emotions can contribute to the creation of neural pathways associated with well-being, while chronic negative thinking may contribute to the reinforcement of neural pathways associated with stress or anxiety. Everyday impact. Interpersonal relationships. Thoughts and emotions significantly impact how individuals interact with others. Positive thoughts and emotions can foster healthy relationships, while negative ones may contribute to conflict. Productivity and creativity. In a professional context, a positive mindset and emotions are often associated with increased productivity, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. While the importance of thoughts and emotions is acknowledged across various disciplines, it's crucial to note that the relationship between thoughts, emotions, and outcomes is complex and multifaceted. Individual experiences vary, and a holistic approach that considers various factors, including external circumstances, is often necessary for a comprehensive understanding of well-being. Number 5 is mind-body connection. The mind-body connection refers to the intricate relationship between mental and emotional states and the physical health of an individual. This concept recognizes that the mind and body are not separate entities but are interconnected and influence each other in profound ways. Here are key aspects of the mind-body connection. Stress response. Fight or flight. When the mind perceives a threat, the body responds with the fight or flight stress response. This triggers physiological changes, such as increased heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and the release of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Chronic stress impact. Prolonged or chronic stress can have negative effects on the body, contributing to conditions like cardiovascular disease, weakened immune function, and digestive issues. Emotions and physical health. Positive emotions. Positive emotions and a generally optimistic outlook have been associated with better physical health outcomes. Individuals who experience joy, love, and gratitude may experience benefits such as lower blood pressure and a stronger immune system. Negative emotions, conversely, chronic negative emotions such as anger, anxiety, or depression have been linked to a higher risk of various health problems, including cardiovascular issues and immune system suppression. Psychoneuroimmunology, PNI. Study of the mind-body connection. Psychoneuroimmunology is a field that explores the connections between psychological processes, the nervous system, and the immune system. It investigates how mental and emotional states can impact immune function and overall health. Placebo and nocebo effects. Placebo effect. The placebo effect demonstrates the power of the mind to influence the body. Believing in the effectiveness of a treatment, even if it is inert, can lead to real physiological changes and improvements in symptoms. Nocebo effect. Conversely, negative expectations or beliefs about a treatment can result in the worsening of symptoms, known as the nocebo effect. This underscores the impact of the mind on physical health outcomes. Mindfulness and meditation. Stress reduction. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing, have been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. These practices can positively influence both mental well-being and physical health. Pain management. Mindfulness-based interventions have been used in pain management, demonstrating their ability to alleviate both the perception of pain and its physiological effects. Neuroplasticity. Adaptability of the brain. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and adapt, suggests that changes in mental and emotional patterns can lead to structural and functional changes in the brain, influencing overall well-being. Understanding the mind-body connection has implications for holistic health approaches, including integrative medicine and complementary therapies. Recognizing the impact of mental and emotional states on physical health emphasizes the importance of addressing both aspects for overall well-being. Number 6 is manifestation and creation. The concept of manifestation and creation is often associated with metaphysical and spiritual beliefs, particularly in the context of the law of attraction and other related principles. Here's an exploration of this concept. Law of attraction. Positive visualization. Manifestation often involves the practice of positive visualization, focusing on and imagining the desired outcomes with clarity and positivity. Attracting similar energies. The law of attraction posits that the energy you emit through your thoughts and emotions attracts similar energies from the universe, influencing the manifestation of events and experiences in your life. Positive thinking and beliefs. Power of positive thought. Advocates of manifestation suggest that maintaining a positive mindset and cultivating beliefs aligned with desired outcomes can influence one's reality. Affirmations. Positive affirmations, repeated statements expressing positive beliefs about oneself or one's goals, are often used as tools for manifestation. Visualization techniques. Creative visualization. Visualization techniques involve mentally picturing desired outcomes, imagining the sensations and emotions associated with achieving those goals. Vision boards. Some people create vision boards, collages of images and affirmations representing their goals, as tangible aids for manifestation. Mindful intention setting. Setting clear intentions. Mindfully setting clear intentions for what one wants to achieve or experience is considered crucial for manifestation. This involves being specific about goals and desires. Emotional alignment. Manifestation often emphasizes the importance of aligning emotions with the desired outcome, as emotions are believed to carry a vibrational frequency that influences the manifestation process. Action and alignment. Taking inspired action. While manifestation is often associated with the power of thought, it's also emphasized that taking inspired action aligned with one's goals is crucial. Manifestation is seen as a co-creative process involving both intention and action. Alignment with higher self. Some spiritual perspectives stress the importance of aligning with one's higher self or divine consciousness to manifest in harmony with the greater universe. Criticism and skepticism. Lack of scientific evidence. The concept of manifestation and the law of attraction has faced criticism for lacking empirical scientific evidence. Skeptics argue that outcomes in life are influenced by various factors beyond one's thoughts and intentions. Subjectivity of experiences. Personal experiences with manifestation can vary widely, and what works for one person may not work for another. This subjectivity contributes to skepticism. It's important to approach the concept of manifestation with an open mind, recognizing that beliefs about the power of thought in shaping reality may vary among individuals and cultural contexts. Whether seen as a spiritual practice or a psychological tool, manifestation often encourages individuals to take an active role in shaping their lives. It's important to note that while the law of vibration is embraced by some spiritual and metaphysical traditions, it is not a scientifically proven law in the traditional sense. Scientifically, the concept of everything having a vibrational frequency is more commonly associated with physics, particularly quantum physics, where particles are described as having both particle and wave-like properties. As with many metaphysical concepts, interpretations and beliefs about the law of vibration can vary widely.